Yeah, it's Alex. About to spit some bars for you guys so you can see the pain in my eyes, the hurt and the lies. Yeah. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Looking up at the stars, searching for a greater cause. Why am I here? I'm just trying to beat the odds. You can tell I've been through shit. You can see I bear the scars. Sometimes I feel like I'm torn apart. They say follow your heart, but what about pain? They didn't mention that part. Yeah, I remember when I was little shopping for clothes at Walmart. Growing up, seeing things, developed a cold heart. Cold mornings and the card won't start. Used to be scared of the dark, but now I know my thoughts are. Yo, always look at the stars in nice cars, looking far. Wonder what's on Mars, what separates us apart, except for these bars that just spit.